If you see the service theft-deterrent system or warning in your Chevy Cruze, it's very likely that you won't be able to start your car. You should know that the anti-theft system in the Cruze is pretty tricky and complicated, and the car may go to the so-called theft protection mode because of various scenarios. But in most cases, it's all about these three problems that I will tell you about. First of all, it's the problem with the fob, or the key, depending on what type of key you have in your Cruze. The metal key has the chip inside as well as the fob, and they both need to be working properly. This may just be the low battery in the key fob and the car doesn't see the chip, but in most cases the problem is with the disconnected chip in the fob, so the broken fob. You will need a new key or the new fob in this case. If you call a locksmith, it may cost you between $400 and $600 to program the new key or fob. In the Chevy dealership you may get it cheaper, but you will need to take the car somehow there. But before you pay any money, you should also try to reset the key. For this, try locking your car, then unlocking it, then inserting the key into the ignition cylinder and putting it into the on position. So don't start it, just turn on the ignition. Make sure you have no music or lights on and leave the key like this for about 15 minutes. After that, turn the vehicle off, take the key out, go out of the car, lock it, then unlock it, get into the car and try starting it as you normally do. If this doesn't help, you may consider disconnecting the 12-volt battery. Sometimes the theft deterrent system in the Cruze may just be glitching after it registered a faulty attempt of breaking into the car. Disconnecting the battery for 5 or 7 minutes may reset the system. And finally, you may need to verify that the battery is okay. It should show at least 12.5 volts. And it would be nice if you used a load tester rather than a simple multimeter to check it, because low voltage may easily cause this problem. The system is very tricky, and I have seen it malfunctioning because of the driver's door sensor failure. I believe the car didn't register that the driver opened the door after unlocking the car, and when the owner tried to start the vehicle, it jumped into the theft protection mode. After the door was opened and closed once again, the sensor may have caught this and the message was gone and they could start a car. So it may not be easy to find the initial culprit, but I believe in 90% of cases it's all about the fob or the key not communicating properly with your car.